Since October 7th, 2023, Gaza has witnessed one of the darkest chapters in modern history. More than 64,000 Palestinians have been killed, including over 18,000 children. Entire families have been wiped out. Hospitals have been destroyed. Food and water have been deliberately blocked, creating famine as a weapon of war. This is not a tragedy of numbers. It is a genocide. The United Nations, humanitarian organizations, and leading genocide scholars have called it by its name. What is happening in Gaza is not a military operation. It is the systematic destruction of a people. Every mother grieving her child, every child pulled lifeless from the rubble, every family buried together. This is humanity crying out. And when we remain silent, or when the world turns away, we lose part of our collective dignity. But we are not powerless. Each of us can do something, share the truth and verified information to break through the walls of propaganda, support humanitarian organizations that bring aid to those who are starving and displaced, pressure our leaders, governments, and institutions to call for an immediate ceasefire. Demand accountability in international courts so that crimes against humanity do not go unpunished. And yet, beyond the urgency of this moment, Gaza teaches us a deeper lesson. As long as the world remains divided into fragmented states, acting only for their own interest, genocides will repeat themselves. That is why I wrote the book, United States of the World. We need global institutions with the authority to protect human rights everywhere, to stop war crimes, and to safeguard the dignity of every human being. Because the value of one life in Gaza, Kyiv, or anywhere else is the value of all our lives. Let me know what you think in the comments. If this video resonated with you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more daily insights. And don't forget to check out my book, United States of the World. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.